Hello, this is Roller with the Globe Community Support Team, and today I'd like to show you how you can add documents to the Globe website. So once you've logged in, I'm going to add documents to my page. So I'm going to click up here and go to My Page. But you can add documents anywhere that you have an edit button. If you don't see an edit button on any of the page that you expect to see one, double check this edit controls icon does not have a slash to the I. If it does, just click on it, and then you should see an edit icon appear. So we'll click edit, and we're going to add some text for our document tutorial. We'll type in some text, like where you want the image hyperlink to go, and then select the text. Then you can just click on this document link, and let's go to Browse Server. Click on the folder with your name in it. We're going to make a document tutorial. So just give the folder a name and click on the name. And then you can come here to Browse, and you can find your document. Once you have your document selected, go ahead and click on this Upload button. And we'll give it a minute to upload to the Globe website. So click on the name of your document and choose OK, and then click on Publish. And now you have a document linked to the website. If you click on it, it'll download. So thank you for watching and have a great day.